Brake calipers, so crucial to the proper operation of the disc brake system in an automobile, operate in a similar way to the calipers on a bicycle. Instead of using cables like the bicycle, brake fluid supplies the force needed to apply pressure to the brakes. Brake fluid is not appreciably compressible. If it were, the brake pedal would be soft or completely ineffective. Brake fluid has a high wet boiling point, which means that after it attracts moisture, it can still withstand the tremendous heat generated during braking. Brake fluid is very hygroscopic, meaning that it attracts moisture from the condensation that occurs when tremendous heat produced by the brakes cools down when not in use. With as little as 4% moisture, the brake fluid's wet boiling point can go below the federal DOT3 standard. When brake fluid boils, bubbles are created, causing air pockets in the system, resulting in a soft brake pedal and potential brake system failure. As moisture increases in brake fluid, its boiling point drops and metal components deteriorate. This often may result in expensive caliper replacement. Some components in the brake system are comprised of copper. Therefore, one indicator that corrosion is occurring is an increase in the amount of copper in the brake fluid. A simple test will indicate the presence of copper in the fluid. If corrosion inhibitors needed for ongoing protection and performance are diminished, and when the fluid is in need of replacement. The proper and efficient replacement of fluid in this very complex and pressurized hydraulic system requires special equipment, training, and a high-performance brake fluid. To do this, we perform a BG brake service. The first step is to take all of the contaminated fluid out of the master cylinder. Then, with the system pressurized, BG.3 or BG.4 ultra-dry flushing formula brake fluid is sent through the master cylinder to each wheel until nothing but new fluid flows out of each individual brake cylinder. This process removes air, moisture, and other contaminants while installing new brake fluid that provides enhanced brake system performance and protection. Customers usually notice more responsive braking and will appreciate the peace of mind they'll have in knowing the most important safety system in their vehicle is properly maintained. Service professionals also have the assurance of knowing that the products, equipment, and training used in performing these services for their customers comes from the leader in automotive fluid maintenance. BG Products Incorporated.